So hello guys and welcome to Carblog India. You might have seen an earlier video where we told you about the Honda Highness CB350 DLX variant. This is the DLX Pro variant. This is the top end variant. You get 3 to 4 additional features, highlights over the regular DLX variant. So in this video, we won't be riding the bike, but I'll tell you all about this bike, all the features and all the specifications of this bike. So as you can see, the main difference is that this variant, the DLX Pro variant, comes in dual tone shade. Here we have the dual tone shade and it's available in 3 more colors. You can see, so mainly the dual tone coloring will be seen only on the fuel tank over here, and this is the base color. That's why you get this color over here as well. Here's the branding, the Highness CB350, and it gets a 348cc single cylinder air cooled engine that produces 21 PS and 30 Newton meters of peak torque. It gets a 6-speed gearbox, and while gearbox may look a bit retro style, it's found mostly on the commuter bikes and some old bikes, 10-15-year-old bikes, but it's just for the retro styling. You have the regular one down and other up gearbox setting over here. Now as you can see, it gets these nice alloy wheels, and here's the chrome detailed front fender. At the back as well, you get the chrome detailing done. Over here it gets these MRF Zapper FS tires, and this is the disc brake setup. It gets disc brakes from Nissan, and it gets ABS at the front as well as at the back. Here you can see it gets a round LED headlamp with 2 slats over here, so that's touching basically the both worlds, the modern and the retro styling as well. These are the round indicators which remain on constantly, but however if you switch on the indicator then it will start blinking. Now if you come here, here's the instrument cluster. It gets a single pod analog instrument cluster. Here's a small MID which shows the fuel reading, the time, speed, the trip meters and everything else. Here is the button. Here is the button on the left side of the handlebar from which you can change the information on the instrument cluster. Here is the battery status. Here is the range that you get. Here is the trip meters and also the average that you get on each of these trips. Further, this variant, the DLX Pro variant, gets a Bluetooth connection, Bluetooth enabled instrument cluster with voice assist. That's a segment first feature that you have, voice assist. So in this basically you have to download the Honda app available with this bike, compatible to this bike, and then you have to connect it and you can have the voice assist features, the controls and the other information that you require about the bike at the comfort of your home or probably in your office, wherever you're sitting, just by looking at your phone. However, for that also you have to connect to this USB socket that you find over here. So you have the charging also, and the option of a USB socket is pretty much quite handy over here. Here are the buttons for changing the setting or the information that you see on the instrument cluster. So you can change it from the speedometer as well and also from here. Now this button is for switching off the traction control. It gets traction control as standard. It is automatically switched on every time you switch on the bike. However, if you want to just switch it off, just long press this, and for first you have to start the bike. Now the bike is in ignition, and here as I long press this sign came up which means traction control is off. If I press it again, you can see it is off. On the right side of the handlebar it gets this hazard lights, you can see here. The lights are now blinking. If you switch it on, the lights remain constantly on. Here's the engine kill switch and the ignition button integrated in one itself. Here are the buttons for operating your MID, and this is the regular headlamp buttons, the horn and the indicators. If you see it from here, you can see that the handlebar and this whole area is sort of like any other cruiser that you have right now. The handlebar setup is a single piece setup, and it's not that raised, so you'll have a proper upright posture while driving, of course, in a relaxed way. These are the round headlamps that you get. Although I think that the view might be a bit constricted in this, but we'll get to know that when we are riding this bike. Another difference between the DLX Pro and the DLX variant is that this variant, the DLX Pro, gets dual horn setup as standard. It's not an accessory, it's a standard fitment. However, on the DLX you get a single horn setup only. Further, here you can see this is the seat of the CB350, Highness CB350. It's quite long and also quite wide. It's not that stiff and not that soft as well, so you have a balanced setup over here. I think it will be comfortable for two people to go long distance cruising with this bike. And here at the back you get this grab rail for the pillion, and here is the LED headlamp setup, and again two round shaped indicators at the back. Talking about the suspension setup, it gets hydraulic shock absorbers at both the sides, on the right and also on the left. For front you have telescopic forks doing the suspension duties. It gets disc brake at the back as well, with ABS at the back, dual channel ABS and front and rear disc brakes both. Now you see, one of the biggest highlights about this bike is that it sounds very good. It has a very sweet but a loud, throaty exhaust note. Let me show you how does this bike sound. So here is the noise of the Highness CB350, as you can see. So that was it, guys. That's what you needed to know about the Honda Highness CB350. So as I told you earlier, we won't be riding this bike now. We will be riding it shortly, so stay tuned for our review. But I hope this video will give you will solve all your doubts and queries regarding the specifications and the features of this bike. If you liked watching this video, then give us a thumbs up, share this video and subscribe to Carblog India for more such car reviews, bike reviews and walk around videos. Till then, see you in the next video.